Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making chicken and gravy in the slow cooker. Let's begin. We'll need 1 can of cream of chicken, and it's around 10.5 ounces. Let's open it up. And we're going to pour it out. We're going to pour in 1 cup of chicken broth. We're going to put in 2 packets of chicken and gravy, and it's around 0.87 ounces. We're going to put in the first one. And the second one. We're going to mix everything all together. Okay, everything is mixed together. We're going to put it to the side. We have here some chicken breast, and we're going to open it up. We'll be using 5 chicken breasts. We're going to season the chicken breast with some garlic powder. And some onion powder. Flip it over and do the same thing. Some garlic powder. And some onion powder. Next, we're going to put the 5 chicken breasts into the slow cooker. There you go. We have 5 chicken breasts in the slow cooker. Next, we're going to pour everything in. Next, we'll be adding half a stick of butter, and we're using Kerrygold Irish butter. We have here a half a stick of butter sliced up. We're just going to add it in. We're going to close it up. We're going to turn the Crockpot to high, and we'll be back in 6 hours. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 6 hours, and we're going to put it on warm. Next, we're going to remove the cover and break the chicken into smaller pieces. We're going to take 2 forks and start breaking up the chicken, and it's breaking up really easily. It's nice, soft, and tender. Looking good. We have here some white rice already made, and we're going to put it on a plate. We're going to take a spoon and scoop out some of the white rice. Next, we're going to take some of the chicken and put it on top of the white rice. And lastly, we're going to sprinkle some chopped up green onions on top. Okay, this is what we have today, chicken and gravy made in the slow cooker. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.